Okay, so I found this disposable camera in an old drawer, and I tried to get it developed, but when I went to the usual places, the ones that do still develop this film, tell me they'll only develop rolls like this. They won't even accept something like this, and one of the companies that did, there was a hefty extra $15 charge for this format rather than this. So let me show you a cool little trick. So we take the camera, we make sure it's wound all the way to the end, all of our shots have gone off. Get the cardboard, put your fingernail under there, rip it open like an animal, and then just under this side here will be a little slot, little tape on there. Okay, peel the stubborn tape away. And there's your film. Send that away, there's going to be no problem. Thanks for watching.